this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and I have iPhone 12 base version from 2020. So both phone came for 2020, has the same generation. We're gonna see which phone can start some game faster and some app as well. So we'll do gaming and app speeding test. Now let's go to the apps drawer. We're gonna test with Subway Surfer, Instagram and 8 Ball. Let's see, first we're gonna hit 8 Ball pool at the same time. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see who is loading. Samsung S20 loads faster. Subway Surfer. iPhone has some ad in this case. Close these ads. I'm gonna hit for tap for play. Playing performance could be the same in this case. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close both of them. Here we go. This one as well. And we'll try one more time to be confirmed. A clear winner in this case. That is the purpose. Let's see, 1, 2 and 3. Loading. This time iPhone 12 loads faster, so I don't know what to think. It's happened with some phones, sometimes one phone starts faster than other one, so whatever. I go out from here to find a clear winner to try with another game, another app. Now we'll do 8 Ball pool game. Here we go, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 12 loads faster. 8 Ball pool game. And we're gonna try one more time in this case. Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. Now is the real test. iPhone 12 is the fastest, so we confirm this 8 pool iPhone starts faster. Now we're gonna go out from this and close all, this one as well, and we'll go for the last try. We'll open here Instagram and we'll see which one starts faster. Instagram. 1, 2 and 3. This one loads faster, but it's something here. I hit continue. Okay, it's the same Instagram is connected in this case. So we'll do one more time. I close this. Close here. Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone loads faster. So iPhone 12 is faster in many cases with Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.